Okay, we have seen this arrangement in the flash lamp where the capacitor resistors connect to the base of the transistor, and that is used to switch the lamp on or off. There we just saw the lamp flash and switch off, but now we will use two of these arrangements of the resistors, capacitors and transistors to switch the lamp on and off. Arrange the blocks as shown. Now press the key. Okay.
Yeah, it's like indicator.
Yes.
To
So you see there was some loose connection, but now the blocks are in place. The charging and discharging of both the capacitors is causing the lamp to flash. We will see another variation of this circuit. Instead of one lamp, we can have two lamps that will flash alternatively. Let us make the needed changes. That we have now changed this circuit so that we are having two bulbs, and if you see the arrangement, we have two capacitors and we have both the transistors as connected. So we are alternatively the bulbs will light on and off due to the charging and discharging of the capacitors. Turn the circuit on.
wow, it is like now the parking lights.
Yes, one change you see that we now have both 10 micro capacitors, but the idea is that the capacitors are charging and discharging alternately, and the supply is used to light either of the bulbs. So did you enjoy this experiment?
Yeah.